Hello, Mrs. Hatfield here. Happy Tuesday. If you're in class, let's get going on our bell work. If you're at home, I hope you're having a good start to your day, a terrific Tuesday, and you are watching this on YouTube and opening it there, pausing and solving. So the first one says there are 12 crayons in a box. How many boxes will be needed for 9 children if each child gets 6 crayons? So let's break this down a bit. We know that there are 12 crayons in a box. We need to know how many boxes will be needed for 9 children if each child gets 6 crayons. So I've kind of created a visual aid here to help us kind of see what's happening here. Each box is 6 crayons and there are 9 children. We know that 9 times 6 is equal to 54. But that's only part of our answer. We need to know how many boxes of crayons will be needed if there's 12 crayons in a box. So if we need 54 crayons in total, and we know that there's 12 crayons in a box, we're going to have a remainder here. I'm going to borrow here, and that becomes 6. And since I still need 6 more crayons, I'm going to actually need 5 boxes of crayons to be able to make my bags of crayons for the 9 students. Question number 2. Logan is drawing the repeating pattern. He draws 1 star and then 3 squares. If his pattern continues, what will be the 9th shape? So if we kind of visualize what's happening here, star, 3 squares, this is the first shape, second, third, fourth. What will be the 9th shape? Question number, next one is 12 and 3/10 divided by 10 squared. What is that equal to? Remember yesterday when we multiplied, we went to the right. So when we divide, we go to the left. So if I have dividing by 10 squared, which is the same thing as 100, I'm going to move my decimal over 2 places to the left. And remember, I like to put my 0 in front of that number to help me remember that that is a decimal. So same applies here to 5 and 6/100ths divided by 10 squared. Question number next 3. An expression is shown. Add a set of parentheses so that the value of the expression is 126. So which is correct here? So that the value of this is 126. Next problem. Which polygon has 2 fewer sides than an octagon? Is it a pentagon, heptagon, decagon, or hexagon? 2 fewer sides than an octagon. True or false, and if you watched the video yesterday, you know the answer to this. A rectangle can be classified as a square. Was that true or was that false? Watch yesterday's video or look up, can a rectangle be classified as a square, as a video to see how you can explain your thinking. Question 5. Standard multiplication, 577 times 52. Don't use a calculator. You can use a multiplication chart, but practice doing those. And last one, use the model to help you find the value of the expression. So if I have 42/100ths times 4, that's my first group of 42/100ths, my second, my third, and my fourth. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a terrific Tuesday.